To initiate a refund on Cnfans, start by visiting their website at cnfans.com and logging into your account. Once logged in, click on your account at the top right. Then select My Order from the drop-down menu. If you have existing orders, they will be displayed here. Click on Paid to view the orders that are eligible for a refund. To begin the refund process, click on the Contact Support button, which is typically represented by a headphones icon, located on the right side. This will prompt a response from a bot, which will ask you a series of questions. If you don't see a refund option, simply type "I would like to get a refund" and send the message. You will then be asked to provide your name and email address, which will enable the support team to identify you and respond to your query. After providing this information, you will be asked to select the content you wish to consult, at which point you should click on "I want to return the item." The support team will then provide you with detailed instructions on how to proceed. Alternatively, you can also access the return and refund policy by clicking on the relevant section, which outlines the 5-day return or exchange guarantee. From here, you can read about the policy, contact the seller, and initiate the refund process for your purchased items.